go, man. I swapped the coils back over. First drive in Oregon with my Accord in 2 years. And I'm on the Washington side, so I get to enjoy these back roads. And we're gonna cruise down to Neon Nights in the Dalles. And I have some lights I'm gonna throw in the car just for fun. Park it and enjoy the night. Let's see how it goes. After driving a U-Haul for 15, 16 hours, I think it was 16 hours, and being so high up, and then getting back in this car, I feel low as hell in this car. This is crazy. Let's try to get a wheel shot real quick. Best place to drive. Man, I miss these roads. Not the dips. Like these bridges got little cracks, but they did a lot of road construction since we've been gone. So I'm excited to try these out. Look at these roads right here. I'll stick you in my hat. Let's do it. Look at these curves, the best roads. It's 100 degrees today. It was 100 degrees yesterday. And I guess this whole week is going to be in the 80s and 90s. So we'll see how the car does with the heat. Make sure it doesn't overheat. We got a 45 turn. We're going to take around 60. Here we go. Dude, even my steering wheel feels different. It's so crazy. Man, look at these roads, man. I miss this. Look at this shit. Oh my God. Colorado is so flat. This is the shit right here. Let's downshift, baby. Here we go. Fourth gear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck. Yielding. Oh shit. Oh fuck, bro, they got a goddamn roundabout here. Oh my God, this is new. Oh my God, I usually haul ass over this. Oh my God, that was crazy. Brakes are good. Let's go, baby! Feels good to be home. It's just beautiful. My car's so planted. This is what's good about this camber. Oh, look at this turn. Oh my God. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. This one's a little wild. This looks different. They built the new road here. Oh, damn, my car doesn't even scrape. It doesn't rub. Washington side. Fuck, I forget what they call it. Highway, but it's the Washington side headed towards Vancouver, Portland area. We're gonna cross the Bridge of the Gods, go across, jump on the freeway to Hood River, and what's next? We're gonna run a few errands, get some food or something, And then we're gonna go to the Dalles for Neon Nights. Oh, what the fuck? Wait a second, did I pass it? No, it's up here, it's over this town. So this town right here is Stevenson, Washington. Yeah, it's been too long. Oh my God, it feels good to be back. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys ever experienced it, but if you move away from your hometown and then come back, I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but dude, it feels so weird. I feel like I'm like undercover. Look, we can go to the top right there. We can go to the Accord meets that they have here. Damn, that sheriff is coming this way. And possibly do another one of the Accord camp meets. That's when we take a weekend and all of the Accords in the area just meet up at this campsite, and then we try to take over the whole site, like a section of the site. So you're basically walking through and you're seeing Accord, 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 and it's just badass. Some old school cars over here. It's pretty sick. Rebuilds and sells them, I'm guessing. Oh, the cop is gone. Okay, the cop is gone, guys. We're good. And I still have the Blue Lives Matter flag on the back of the car. So hopefully I don't get pulled over. Maybe he saw it and he's like, ah, that guy's good. That guy can go. He's good to go. He's legit. So, damn, dude. I'm hoping this is how it works, man. Unless he called one of his buddies and said, watch out for this car coming. I don't know what the speed limit is, but oh, I see him back. He's way back there. But we're gonna go 60. I think it's 60. And also another cool thing, since I'm back in town, this is where I got my exhaust done, so I could finally put on the new tips. Go to Mikey's Mufflers in Hood River. I just called him. I was trying to get it done today, but he said it's too hot. So we're gonna go down there on Monday, Tuesday maybe-ish, and see how it is, how he's feeling, see if it's not cooking, even though, you know, it says it's gonna be cooking out. But I'm gonna get that exhaust done, and that should be like the final touch to, there goes an Accord right there, a nice touch to get the car looking good. I still gotta wrap the front bumper, and I'll do that eventually. I'm not really in a rush to do that. Some people are like, bro, why didn't you finish your bumper? Why is it white? I honestly just lost any fucking motivation to do it. I wrapped the whole car, which was a pain in the butt because it's just a lot of work, and I took, you know, a lot of orders to do piece by piece. Bad idea because I ran out of motivation. So if you ever want to wrap your car, make sure you buy a full roll, wrap it all at once. Because I lost motivation, and now, like, all I want to do is just drive the car. So once I get the itch again, I'll finish off the bumper, rock it for a year, because I'm seeing stuff starting to peel back, like on my fender. My wheel was rubbing on it, so the wrap's coming up on that. There's a wrap coming up on the back, I believe. There's a wrap on the sunroof coming up. So I'm gonna rock this for like a year, enjoy it, get the photos, get the videos, and then I'm gonna switch out the color. And I'm trying to go for a midnight purple. Midnight purple is a dope ass color. All right, let's go across this bridge over here. Oh, I think this bridge has fucking speed bumps on it, bro. Oh no, here we go. All right, well, we're gonna, oh shit. Yeah, we're gonna see if there's any speed bumps on this bad girl. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it feels good, baby. Look at this shit. Miss this, man. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that view. Columbia River Gorge. We got trains. We got trees. We got rain. Views on views, baby. Damn. Here's the speed bumps. It's like, ah, they're not bad. Good Lord, man. Oh God, you guys don't know. Driving my car back in Oregon. Washington is the best feeling. This is where it all started. This is where the love came from for the Accords. This is where I met some cool people like the Northwest Accords. All right. Rock this GoPro and hopefully no one says anything. This is for the car in the back too. Thank you. Damn, look at that camper. Oh, snap! Alright, so we need to jump on the freeway. How do I get on the freeway? What's crazy is I forgot a bunch of shit about this place too. Like everything, there's a few things that are different. And I legit just forgot where some things are. Which is crazy. I don't know if it's the wacky tobacco or if I'm just getting old. Let's see. So we go this way. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this clip because I don't want to use up all my memory. But once we jump down to Neon Nights, oh, there's an Accord right there. All white, I need that hood. Oh shit, look at that. So Neon Nights is mostly about a bunch of muscle cars. Old school muscle cars, which are sick because that's the classics. It's like classic rock, you know? They don't go bad, they look sick. So we're gonna go down there and enjoy those. I'm gonna get some footage of them and cruise the night. Gonna meet up with some old buddies and catch up. Try to meet some new people to shoot photos and cars. I gotta wash this car, it's dirty as hell too. But damn, bro, we are back. We are back in this shit. All this road's new too. A lot of new roads here, which is nice. Same with Colorado. We moved away from Colorado, came back, and a bunch of roads were redone. And it's cool to come back here and a bunch of roads are redone. And so they're, you know, it's a lot easier on my car. I don't scrape as much. This is tight. Hopefully I'll get sick of it and try to move away again though. All right. Catch you guys in a few.
Fresh groceries are our thing, so we check your delivery order for freshness at every step. We're fresh every day, so shop anywhere. Red Fire.
What do you guys know about that digital dash? All right, the car is super, super dusty, so I'm gonna hit my favorite car wash. Oh, snap. Looks like the roads are new here too. And I'm just gonna give it a quick spray down. Get it shining again and move on to the next destination. Yeah, baby.
You broke it?
Pulling your fender out.
Yeah, I know.
It's got the road forms. These are sick. Always good on Volkswagens.
This is my brother's.
Gee. Oh shit.
Yeah. He also have a That's why we can't have nice things.
That's why it's smoky out here, huh?
That's why it's smoky out here.
Damn.
know how that rolls.
Probably fucked up Isaac's pass. That's what he did. Look at that. Babe, I might have to leave you.
Fuck, I'll let you have her.
Oh my god.
That's the hottest cup I've ever seen.
She's not from me.